Hi students, already running topic is cells in series. Okay, in one order is over. Okay, in last class one order is over. Another concept in series, cells in series opposition. Cells in series opposition. Okay, opposition in the sense, see, it is a battery. This one is one of the battery. Its EMF is E1. Its internal resistance is R1. Okay. This negative terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the another battery. Okay. Negative terminal of the another battery. Its EMF is E2. Its internal resistance is R2. Understood? See, in last class, series means one battery negative connected to the another battery positive terminal. But in this case, negative is connected to the negative means, so cells in series opposition. Cells in series opposition. Okay. Now, it is the current direction. Point A, this point is B, this point is C. Okay. Now, E1, E2 are the EMFs of two cells. Okay. Now R1 and R2 are the internal resistance of these two cells. Internal resistance. Okay. Here passing current is I. Okay. Passing current is I. Here I is the passing current. I is the passing current. Next, V suffix A, V suffix B and V suffix C are the potentials, at A, B and C. Are the potential at A, B and C. Understood? Okay. First of all, potential in between A and B. Potential difference in between A and B. Potential at A minus potential at B. See, it is a discharging cell. This one is discharging cell because of outside positive to negative, inside negative to positive. That's why it is a discharging cell. Discharging cell, higher potential is A, lower potential is B. Simply write as E1 minus current is I, internal resistance R1. You know already that one. Are understood or not? Next, in between B and C. In between B and C, see, outside from negative to positive, inside positive to negative means it is a charging cell. It is a charging cell. Here higher potential is C, lower potential is B. See, Vc minus Vb charging cell means E2 plus I R2. E2 plus I R2. One is discharging cell, another one is charging cell. Understood? Okay. It will write as Vb minus Vc is equal to minus of E2 plus IR2. See clearly, Vc minus Vb. E2 plus IR2 means, it will write as Vb minus Vc means minus of E2 plus IR2. Okay. Now, potential in between A and C. Va minus Vc. Va minus Vc. It will write as Va minus Vb plus Vb minus Vc. Vb minus Vc. See, minus Vb plus Vb both are cancelled. Vm minus Vc is there. Now Vac is equal to, okay, Vm minus Vb means E1 minus IR1 plus VB minus VC means minus of E2 plus I R2. E2 plus I R2. Okay. E1 minus IR1 minus into minus into plus minus E2 minus IR2 minus E2 minus IR2. Now E1 minus E2 minus I is common, R1 plus R2. Okay. E1 minus E2 minus I R1 plus R2. Potential drop in between A and C is equal to E1 minus E2 minus I R1 plus R2. Understood? Okay. Now imagine one equivalent circuit. Okay. Here in between A and C taken one equivalent battery and equivalent EMF. This is A, this is C, current direction I. See, it is current direction I. VAC is equal to VM minus VC. VM minus VC, E equivalent minus I R equivalent. See, it is equation number 1, it is equation number 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, here E equivalent is equal to what at one? E1 minus E2. R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay. In opposition of the series, battery EMFs are E1 minus E2. Equivalent internal resistance is R1 plus R2. Understood? Okay. It is the E equivalent. This one is R equivalent. Next, N identical cells. N identical cells. EMF is E and internal resistance are connected in series. Are connected in series. Okay. Are connected in series. See, EMF E internal resistance R. EMF E internal resistance R. EMF E internal resistance R. Okay. Now these N cells are connected to the external resistance R. These N cells are connected to the external resistance R. Are connected in series and connected to the external resistance R. Okay. See, its equivalent circuit is this one. So all are in series means, okay, net EMF is equal to, you write as E equivalent E plus up to N cells, simply NE. You know already in series we are adding directly. Okay. R equivalent R plus simply NR. Simply NR. Okay. Here negative connected to the positive, negative connected to the positive, negative connected to the positive, like that one. All are in series combination. Okay. Now here equivalent EMF is equal to NE. R equivalent is equal to here NR. This one connected to the external resistance R. External resistance R. Okay. Net EMF is equal to NA. Total internal resistance is equal to NR. Okay. Total resistance. See, total resistance internal resistance is always series with external resistance. Total resistance is equal to here R plus NR. Total resistance is equal to here R plus NR. Okay. Now here passing current through this one is I. Okay. Passing current through this one is I. Here current is equal to I is equal to net EMF is NE by net resistance R plus NR. Understood? Current is equal to, in this case, net EMF is NE. Net resistance is equal to, total resistance is equal to R plus NR. Understood? Once again, N cells, identical cells. Each one EMF is E, internal resistance R. All are connected in series with external resistance capital R. Okay. Its equivalent EMF is equal to here NR. Equivalent internal resistance is NR. Okay. Equivalent EMF NE. Equivalent resistance NR. Understood? Okay. Total resistance is R plus NR. So current is equal to here NE by R plus NR. Okay. Now in this case, if NR is very greater than to capital R, so I is equal to NE by NR, simply E by R. If internal resistance is more in series combination, okay, so current drawn approximately equal to current drawn by single cell. Current drawn by single cell. Okay. Next case, if NR very less than to the capital R, that means NR is neglected. NE by R. That means if external resistance is more, drawn current is equal to N times of the individual cell current. N times of the individual cell current. That means to get on the maximum EMF, if internal resistance is more in series combination, we get the more current. Understood? Okay. In series combination, if external resistance is more, external resistance is more. If external resistance is more, on that case, we get the maximum current. Once again, if internal resistance is less, external resistance is more, only on that case, we get on the maximum current. See next one, wrongly connected cells in series. First of all, consider N cells. Okay, N cells. In this, M cells are connected in wrong way. Okay. M cells connected in wrong way. EMF E, internal resistance R. EMF E, internal resistance R. EMF E, internal resistance R. Okay, all are same. Okay. See here, N cells, total N identical cells. Okay, total N identical cells. How many cells are connected in wrong? M cells are connected in wrong way. Are connected in wrong. Okay, see. Consider here one, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells are connected. Understood? Okay. One cell is connected in wrong way. Okay. One cell is connected in wrong way. See, negative, positive, negative, positive. Here negative, negative, positive, as well positive. One cell connected in wrong way means how many cells are damaged here? Two cells are damaged. Are understood? One cell connected in wrong way means two cells are damaged. Understood? Okay. Two cells. Okay. So here one cell connected means two cells. Two cell connected means four cell. Three cell connected means six are in wrong way. Okay. Six are in wrong way. Understood? Okay. So that means if m cells are connected means now net EMF in this case total cells n. Okay. In wrong way m means you are taken 2m into E. Are understood or not? Okay. Already we discussed in opposition of the series. In opposition of the series. Okay. So one cell connected in wrong way means in that case two cells are damaged. Damaged in the sense opposition. Damaged in the sense opposition. Okay. So two cells connected in wrong way means how many cells are opposition here? Four cells. Okay. Three cells means six cells are opposition. Six cells are opposition. Here m cells means how many cells are opposition here? 2m cells are opposition. 2m cells are opposition. So n minus 2m. Okay. N cells opposition are 2m. See here n is greater than 2m. N is greater than 2m. Okay. Net internal resistance. Net internal resistance, that is NR. No change in its internal resistance. Already I was explained in opposition of the series. Series opposition, I was explained that one. See once that one. E1 minus E2. Okay. So internal resistance as usual R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus like that one. Okay. Net internal resistance NR. Okay. Net or total resistance. Total resistance is equal to R plus NR. Total resistance is equal to here R plus NR. Okay. Now current is equal to net EMF N minus 2M into E by R plus NR plus capital R. NR plus capital R. See once again it is most important topic. If M cells are connected means in wrong way means you are taken 2M. Okay. So net EMF is equal to N minus 2M. Here N greater than to the 2M. Net internal resistance NR. Total resistance is equal to external resistance is always series with internal resistance R plus NR. Current is equal to N minus 2M into E total EMF by total resistance NR plus R. Okay. So one problem, two cells A and B with same EMF of 2 volt each and with internal resistances R sub x A 3.5 ohm and R sub x B 0.5 ohm are connected in series with external resistance 3 ohm. Find the terminal voltages across the two cells. See diagram. First cell, second cell. Okay. It is 2 volts, 3.5 ohm internal resistance. It is 2 volts, 0.5 ohm internal resistance. This one is A, this one is B. Okay. Now external resistance here R is equal to 3 ohms. Understood? It is the given data. Okay. Now here potential drop across the first cell. Potential drop across the first cell means V suffix A is equal to E suffix A minus I R suffix A. Understood? E suffix A minus R suffix A. First of all, find out the current. Current is equal to net EMF E suffix A plus E suffix B by net resistance R suffix A plus R suffix B plus capital R. You know this formula already. Total EMF is E1 plus E2. Total internal resistance R1 plus R2. Okay. Plus with external resistance capital R. Here in terms of A and B. Okay. I 2 plus 2 by 3.5 plus 0.5 plus 3. 4 by 4 plus 3, 7 amperes. Okay, 4 by 7 amperes is the current. Substituting here, V suffix A. What about E suffix A? 2 volts minus current is 4 by 7 into internal resistance 3.5. First one. Okay, here 3.5 how many times? 2 times. 2 here how many times? 2. 2 minus 2. 0. That means potential drop across the first cell is equal to 0. Okay, potential drop across the first cell is equal to 0. Next, potential drop across the second cell. Potential drop across the second cell means V suffix B is equal to E suffix B minus I R suffix B. E suffix B. E suffix B means 2 minus current 4 by 7 and also 0.5. Okay, 2 minus 4 into 0.5, 2 by 7. What is the LCM here? 7. Okay, 7 to 14 minus 2. 12 by 7 volts. Understood? Potential drop across the second cell is 12 by 7 volts. Potential drop across the first cell is 0. Okay. So next problem. Two cells with the same EMF E and different internal resistances R1 and R2 are connected in series to an external resistance R. The value of R so that the potential difference across the first cell be 0 is. Here given options square root of R1 R2, R1 plus R2, R1 minus R2, fourth one R1 plus R2. It is important model. This one is important model. See, first one, first cell, second cell. EMF E R1, EMF E R2. Okay. Current. External resistance is R. Here passing current is I. I is equal to you write as total EMF E plus E by internal resistance R1 plus R2 plus capital R. That means 2E by R1 plus R2 plus capital R. 2E by R1 plus R2 plus capital R. Understood? That is the current. Now potential drop across the first cell be 0. First cell V1 is equal to you write as E1 minus I into R1. Okay, it is equal to 0. E1 in the sense E minus I means EMF 2E by R1 plus R2 plus capital R. It is I into R1 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now it is taken this side. E is equal to 2E R1 by R1 plus R2 plus capital R. Here E cancel. It is taken this side. R1 plus R2 plus capital R is equal to 2R1. Capital R is equal to 2R1 minus R1 minus R2. Okay. 2R1 minus R1. R1 minus R2. That means external resistance is equal to here R1 minus R2. So correct option is third one, R1 minus R2. Understood? Okay.